Hello and welcome back. And if it's your first time here, look around for easy to make miniatures with lots of tips and tricks right here on this channel. I'm trying to catch up on the tutorials as I promised a couple months ago. Once again, Judy has prepared the picture tutorial and sent me her script, which I have put to video. This one is the spider plant tutorial. I've also included here a couple of other projects by others. There are a lot of different projects to be made with quilling paper, and I have included their links to other projects that you can find on YouTube right in the description here. One of the items included in the show bag this year was a bunch of quilling paper of various widths and colors. This is a quick tutorial on making a spider plant. The color of the paper can be changed using distress ink or felt pen. In the first example, the width was good, but the color was not the right green, so it was changed with distress ink. On the second photo, the white quilling paper was changed to green. Remember to color both sides of the paper. Next, a gel pen was used to draw a white line down the center of the quilling paper. Then strips 1/2 inch to 1 1/4 inch were cut for leaves. Use a pair of scissors to make points at the end of the leaves. Don't throw away the scraps. They work well for the baby spiders. Then, cut 2-inch lengths of wire for the baby spiders. Also, run a color pen over the cloth-covered wire to bring the color closer to the rest of the plant. In real life, the stem would be a yellow color, but the wire barely shows anyway, so it won't make much difference. Curl the leaves over the edge of the scissors before forming the spider plant. The distress ink or felt pen makes the quilling paper a bit damp, and this makes it easier to curl the paper and have them hold their shape. Glue the scraps from the points of the main leaves around the end of the wire. Remember, the leaves of the baby spiders are mostly upright, more so than the rest of the plant. The first attempt at making the plant, Judy started gluing the leaves directly into the pot, but was not happy with the result. On her second attempt, she started with the center, and holding on to the leaves, continued to glue each leaf into center. Also, learning from her first try, she added the baby spiders before gluing too far. With the first plant, she added the baby spiders once the spider plant was complete and dry, but hardened glue made it next to impossible to add the wires afterward. Adding them near the beginning allowed for something to hold on to. The wires were cut longer than needed to ensure that the babies were long enough. Continuing adding leaves until you are happy with the results. Glue the spider plant into a pot. If some of the leaves become a bit squished in the process, lightly spritz the underside, and this makes the leaves pliable again. Reshape with tweezers until you are happy with the results. Combining leaves colored with distress ink and leaves colored with the felt pen makes it more realistic and blends well together. Well, that's it for this one. Do give it a go. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see some quick and easy tutorials on this channel, and hit the bell to be notified of upcoming videos. Until next time, thanks for watching.